everyone, my name is Anagha and I'm part of the Data Science Discovery team, and in this video today we're going to be dealing with a question involving conditional probability. So let's go ahead and get started. So here it says Chappell Roan's discography generally has songs from different genres. Suppose you randomly select a song from her albums, and these are the following probabilities. So the probability that the song belongs to the genre pop is 0.31, right? And the probability that the songs belong to both pop rock and synth pop is 0.08. So using these probabilities, calculate the conditional probability that a song belongs to the synth pop genre given that it belongs to the pop rock genre, right? So this is dealing with this formula here. Probability of A given B is the same thing as the probability of A and B divided by the probability of B, right? So here, if we want to find the probability of synth pop given pop rock, right, that's going to be the probability of the synth pop and the pop rock divided by probability of B, which is the pop rock. So divide by the probability of the pop rock, right? So this is already given in the question, right? The probability that the songs belong to both pop rock and synth pop is 0.08. So it's going to be 0.08, which represents the probability that the song belongs to synth pop and pop rock, divided by the probability of pop rock, which is also given, is 0.31, right? So our final answer is basically just 8 out of 31. And I guess I'll just put that here. And that is correct. So I hope this video was helpful. You know, it's pretty easy as the probabilities are already given, right? The only thing we need to keep, I guess, be aware of is the formula. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye.